get a pole, baby. You get a line, I get a pole. We go down to the crawdad hole, honey, baby.
I'm Celona. I'm Vice President of the Friends of Lynn and Nahant Beach, a nonprofit organization founded in the early 90s to better the area around Lynn Shores and Nahant Beach State Reservations. Today we are hosting our 6th annual Kids Day event, which runs from 11 to 2. We started this 6 years ago, and it's grown ever since. We get several hundred children here.
And everybody raise your hands and clap once. Raise those hands. Clap twice. Clap thrice. Now hold hands, spin round left. Spin round, spin round, spin around left. Hold hands, spin it to the right. Round, 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 round. Round and around and around, round, round. Round and around and around, round, round.
We get several hundred children here who get to learn about the ocean and the marine area. There are touch tanks, there's face painting. We get a bunch of sponsors from Northeastern University, Save the Harbor, Save the Bay, Mass DCR, among others. It's a really great event, and it's just nice to bring people to the ocean, especially kids who sometimes don't have the opportunity to visit this great resource at our shores.
Get a pole, honey. You get a line, I get a pole, baby. You get a line, I get a pole. We go down to the crawdad hole, honey. Baby, be mine.
Let's give Mr. Tom a big round of applause.